Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel UPBGE. This video I'm going to let you know about how can I use Python script to work with logic break. Alright, as you can see, I made a project that I decided to use Python script. So this video I'm going to know about a simple Python script, and you can make it and it not difficult to make it. Alright, a type of Python script is a Python script that work with logic break. It's not difficult. Okay, let me show you about. Okay, make a new one, window panel, and set to text editor. Alright, I want you to go to template and select Python to select game logic symbol. This is the simple function of Python script, and we have to open to logic break editor panel. This will be work together. Alright, now if I have a simple cube, alright, I can create I can add a simple sensor. Okay, let's add keyboard and press spacebar. Don't forget to press this button. Okay, in add controller, I want you to select Python. Alright, this is main. I want to use Python to work with this logic break. The reason why I decided to use Python to work with logic break because we use Python script to do something uh, to extend ability of behavior in their actuator. Alright, okay, the first one. Look at this sentence. Now, in this text editor, this Python script has declare name sent. Okay, you can copy this name into this. So actuator, I haven't had. I'm gonna stop working on this sentence, on this line. Okay, let's stop like this. Now we have if statement. Okay, if I want to move this cube, I can type. Okay, I gonna copy this on. It means the object that the script is belong to. Alright, on full stop, and you can type apply movement. So this is the behavior you want to know, and you can learn more in this website. Okay, just you type Blender 2.7 BG Python, and you can see the first one. Okay, go on. Now let's jump right into create game object. Okay, there are many behavior. If I want to make a cube move, I can use this behavior, or you can call on bit class or anything. I'm not sure. Okay, this is the behavior. Just copy and paste to this. Now you have to know about parameter, this parameter, and I'm finished to learn this. You can type this. Okay, put the number like this, and another, you just type true. Okay, this is mean the speed you can set. Okay, go to logic panel. You have to choose to the same of this panel. Alright, when I press start the game and I press spacebar, as in Python script, it means this name is positive, and now this behavior runs. Alright, let's try now. Okay, when I press spacebar, you can see. And in the future, I think I want to make something more advanced. Alright, one thing I want you to know about, I used Python script because if I want to control another object, such as if I have a simple monkey or Suzanne, I want Suzanne moves. I want Suzanne move by I control in this description, in this Python script. Sorry, I can do that. Alright, okay. If you want to control another object, you have to create some function called get current scene. This is very useful function. Okay, now, and then I want you to type this. Okay, copy this scene that you have declared and put full stop and type object, and then just type the name of an object do you want to control. Okay, in this case it's Suzanne. Okay, go and get to the name of Suzanne and put to this, and now type full stop. And what do you want? Okay, now I want Suzanne to move. You have to copy this line and paste to this. Okay, let's try now. Alright, if you want to another direction, you can do that. Alright, this is the reason why I have to learn more about Python script. We use Python script to do something specific. Do something is depends on property. Right, such as if I want to move some object by use this name, I can type this and put the name and use string and put the name of Suzanne, and I can change in this and type like this. Okay, let's see. Apply movement. I think there is some problem. I think I can't remember. Sorry. Okay, in the next video I'm going to tell you more. Okay, bye.